Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the Under-Sink Organizer 2-Pack, a versatile solution for your bathroom and beyond. This two-tier sliding cabinet basket organizer features a convenient slide-out bottom drawer, making it easy to access items even in tight spaces. With a large capacity, the bottom area can accommodate items up to 10.3 inches in height, ensuring you have plenty of room for all your essentials. Built with stability in mind, the organizer boasts a reinforced base, thickened steel tubes, and durable ABS material baskets, providing a sturdy and compact storage solution. Its wide application means it's perfect for under sinks, cabinets, countertops, food pantries, kitchens, bathrooms, garages, and laundry rooms. Installation is a breeze with no tools required. Simply connect the 4 support tubes to the baskets and press to level. Plus, the ABS materials are waterproof and rust-proof, making cleaning as simple as wiping with a damp cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.